Hello Virgo, and welcome to your reading for the possibilities that are coming your way. Remember that this reading does not necessarily have any specific date on it. Whenever this message finds you, and whenever you find this message, then this reading will be for you at this given time. You are starting with the dominant energy of the drumroll. Wow, the King of Cups. So a lot of love, overflowing of emotions. Somebody here wanting to express their emotions, okay? So there's going to be this kind of energy here where maybe you're trying to kind of like embrace this kind of joyful connection, or maybe this person is, whoever this person is. Remember, energies can be in the reverse, but it's a very harmonious relationship that is going to create a lot of joy. It's a very beautiful bond that is being created here, okay? Look at that. My goodness, as I say that, what is going on here? The King of Cups along with the Queen of Cups, these two are the counterparts to each other. This is basically the most perfect union, okay? Both of you guys know each other at a soul level, and this is sort of like a very mature situation. Both of you guys are growing spiritually. You are learning from your spiritual experiences. You are growing within this current situation, and your emotions are both growing for one another. Whether you know it or not, I'm telling you right now, there is a light that is going to be shed at the end of the tunnel. You do have big star card energy here. This is big energy coming in for you this week. It's also Aquarius energy. After healing, after doing a lot of the work, okay, somebody here is starting to realize, hey, you know what? I think the sacrifice that I need to make is going to be worth my time. Somebody here is kind of like coming into kind of alignment with themselves, okay? And they're evaluating. The more that they kind of think about the situation, they're kind of coming to terms with the fact that they have to sacrifice something that's currently stuck, that's not working, in order to get what they want, okay? There's some kind of truth that will be revealed this week, some kind of communication coming in for you guys here with this Ace of Swords. Beautiful, brand new beginnings and clarity. You're going to have a lot of clarity. Something here in your mind is about to crystallize itself, okay? I also see your own sign. Look at this. So charging forward ahead, okay? You know what you want. Don't give up on what it is that you know is for you just because you have not yet figured out how to get it, okay? I do sense that for some of you guys, maybe you need a little bit more time to do more research. You need to get more information about the situation before jumping in, or before this person jumps in with you. But there's somebody here in the background trying to get more information from the other. Maybe somebody here is watching your social media, or you're watching theirs. Take it as it resonates. But somebody here is trying to gather more information before communicating something, okay? Now, I do see that there's a little bit of regretful energy. This regretful energy is coming from somebody here who is a little bit prideful. They don't like to show emotion, but underneath it all, they do feel sorry about how things went, okay? This could be family related, this could be friends, it could be career, whatever this is. This is a very prideful energy that does not like to show emotions. They don't like to show their vulnerabilities. And so there is this kind of energy where they like to stay in control of their thoughts. They like to stay in control of their emotions. And so if you see this person out in the world, you would never imagine that they have emotions. But underneath it all, they do feel a little bit sad. They feel a little bit guilty, a little bit regretful about how things went. This person right now is actually kind of like going through a lot of changes, okay? Whether this is this other person or you are the situation, they're going through a lot of internal conflict, but this internal conflict is kind of serving this person in order for them to grow and change, okay? Now, I do see the sign of Leo, but somebody here is about to gather the courage. They're about to tap into their bold, expansive energy and take a risk, okay? This is a risk that this person is going to be taking to communicate some kind of truth, to reveal something, to talk about something, to bring something out into the open. Now, there's mature energy here. Some of you guys are learning, okay? You're learning and you're embracing you're kind of like learning to embrace your fears. Maybe this person is, whoever this person is, and all of your doubts, so that every situation in your life starts to become a learning experience, okay? Gaining basically the knowledge that the physical world is teaching you and this person is what's going to help you transcend to a higher spiritual awareness. Now, let's go ahead and see what exactly this King of Cups is all about. What is this King of Cups? The closing out of a chapter. So some of you guys maybe recently closed out a chapter or are about to close out some kind of a chapter, but guess what? It's all for the better. You're going to bring in some kind of stability, celebration, festivity. You know, this could also be celebrating a union, celebrating maybe a marriage. This could also be be marriage. This is all basically saying whatever ended needed to end. It was not meant to be. So don't take it too seriously, okay? If despite maybe your best attempts, your best efforts, the outcome wasn't or isn't what you wish, it was never supposed to begin in the first place, because you wouldn't have wanted it that way anyway. Okay, I know that in the background, like, you know, a lot of times when people walk away or whatever the case may be, things just end abruptly. You kind of like still are in touch with that, what could it have been, right? That sort of energy. But there's something better for you out there. Even if it's the same connection, there's a better way to do it. The world is basically full of brand new opportunities, and it wants to show you those brand new opportunities, okay? So there's this beautiful energy here of, again, celebration, festivity, but there's also somebody here in the background sitting in that energy of, woe is me, this happened to me, so I'm not going to open my heart, you know, kind of walking around life with a little bit of a chip on their shoulder. This is something here that needs to, they're learning from this, okay? So you will soon begin to kind of realize that, hey, you know what, in order to receive whatever it is that I'm passionate about, whatever it is that I want, you have to become your highest self in order to attain it, okay? Some kind of unbreakable willpower is going to come in and rescue you this week. You're going to feel it. You're going to feel that energy, okay? So it's a rush of energy that's going to give you the strength and the courage to really kind of like forge ahead in whatever direction you wish for, because I do sense, like I said, this connection is about to happen. If it hasn't happened already, it's growing into something more mature. We're going to be going into the extended reading to see who this other person is. There's somebody here wanting to come in towards you. There's also someone doing research. Maybe you're doing research, trying to get more information, but we're going to get more information about that in the extended reading. But before we do that, let's go ahead and jump into your question. So ask your question. You're going to be getting a yes or no answer as I shuffle. But before we do that, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and take the time to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every single week that I post. I post each and every single week for every single zodiac sign. You guys, when you subscribe, it really helps me and it helps the algorithm so that I can continue posting more readings like these for you guys on this platform. And also, if you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, go ahead and take the time to give this video a thumbs up, to like and subscribe. Thank you all so much for your support. Okay, so back to your question. Is this a yes or no? Are you ready? Drum roll. That is a definite yes. My goodness, the Queen of Wands, confident, okay? Standing here in your power, in your strength, knowing your worth and knowing your value. You know what you want. You know that you're in alignment with what you want. But sometimes that little voice, you know, creeps in from time to time, coming in and saying, well, but are you sure that they're going to want what you want? Are you sure that they're going to recognize your worth? This is not the week to let your doubts take over your energy. This is the week for you to align with who you truly are, okay? And go for what you desire. This is a definite yes for you this week. Beautiful. Also, this person finds you very alluring. They find you very sexy, very attractive. They're very attracted to you, okay? They find you very passionate. They might be wanting to flirt with you, but they also kind of feel like you're very intuitive. You say things here and there that shock this person. They may not show that they're shocked, but they do get shocked at the things that you say to them, because it's sort of like you're reading their mind. Now, let's go ahead and roll the dice to see what the dice has for you. The number 8 as well as a sign of Pisces. Let's start off with Pisces. So embrace your intuition this week, okay? Your intuition is going to lead you in the right direction. Trust your instincts. Maybe you are dealing with a Pisces, maybe you have Pisces in your chart, but embrace that energy of Piscean energy. You have a clear vision. You will have a clear vision of things this week, okay, to come, that are coming your way. So continue to use that sense of future, that sense of intuition to direct your current path, okay? Because it is unfolding into some kind of beautiful situation. Now here with the 8, the number 8 does represent coming to a deeper understanding of what the situation means to you, what the situation means to the other person, just kind of coming to terms with what it is that you want, asking yourself the deeper questions about life, okay? The search for meaning. All right. Now let's go ahead and get one affirmation message for you. What do we have here as affirmation message? I am stronger than I may realize. Beautiful. So if you are going through something where you're like, oh my God, I don't know if I'm going to make it. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Remember your power. Remember your strength. You are stronger than what you realize. Okay. Tap into that beautiful, gorgeous energy of the Strength card. All right. This is what I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to watch the extended reading reading, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you'd like a personal psychic reading, you can click on my special link that's down in the description box below. I've partnered with Psychic Source so you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes free. And for psychic phone call readings, make sure to use my special number 26489. Again, that's 26489 when you make the call so that you can receive your discount. I'm not a reader on Psychic Source. However, you can choose from any psychic or tarot reader that you'd like by checking out their ratings and reviews. You can either chat with them online via my direct link or choose a phone call and use my special code 26489 to receive your discount offer. And check out my new video on my new channel, Maya Sky, where I guide you in an affirmations meditation to manifest anything you want. The link to my new channel, Maya Sky, and the new video is down in the description box below. And remember that your monthly readings and weekly readings have all been posted on the channel. You can check out the links to all those readings for the entire month down in the description box below. And check out ginamoon.com and click on shop. I have new jewelry pieces, necklaces, rings, crystals, and much more for both men and women. Whether you seek protection from negative energies, want to manifest wealth and prosperity, or you desire to find true love, my Gina Moon online store has a perfect piece for you. It's the ultimate collection of spiritual jewelry designed to enhance your life and unlock the power of the universe. Each exquisite jewelry piece is handcrafted with love and infused with the positive energy of ancient wisdom. Wearing these pieces is like carrying your own personal sanctuary, offering you protection, attracting abundance, and inviting more love into your life. Imagine feeling a deep sense of peace as you go about your day, knowing that you are shielded, protected by the powerful energies of sacred gemstones. So experience the incredible transformation that comes with wearing these precious gems. Let its energy align with yours, empowering you to attract love, abundance, success, and more. So check out my online store at ginamoon.com and click on shop. The direct link is down in the description box below.